In this assignment, we are learning JUnit testing, and it illustrates how to use parameterized test in Java using the JUnit. The code consists of two classes, the TestDemo and the TestDemoTest Java. And we use a POM file where we got everything from the Mockito library. The TestDemo class has two methods, the addPositive and the randomNumberSquared. The addPositive method checks into integers and returns their sum, but only if they are both positive numbers. If either of the numbers is not positive, it throws an IllegalArgumentException. The randomNumberSquared method generates a random number between 1 and 10 and squares it and returns the result. The TestDemoTest.java is used to test the functionality of the TestDemo class. In this class, I have used the JUnit addParameterized test annotation on the assert that two positive numbers are added correctly method. This tells JUnit that this method is a parameterized test, which means that it will run multiple times with different input values. The input values for the test method are supplied by the arguments for addPositive method, which is annotated with the add method source. This method returns a stream of arguments objects, which are just a way to group together multiple input values for the test method. Each set of input values is wrapped in a call to arguments. In the test method, I have used the assert_that method from the assert_j library to check that the result of the addPositive method is equal to the expected value. If the expected exception variable is true, I have used the assert_that_thrown_by method to check that the correct exception is thrown. Lastly, I have added a test method named assert_that_number_squared is correct to test that the randomNumberSquared method is running. To mock the TestDemo class, I have used the Mockito spy method. This allows me to control the behavior of the getRandomInt method, so I can test the randomNumberSquared method with known input values. Overall, this code demonstrates the use of parameterized test in JUnit, which allows for running a single test method multiple times with different input values, making it easy to test a method with a wide range of inputs and ensuring that the code is working correctly in all situations. I'm going to scroll here, my method here. These are the tests, different tests that we're going to be running. I'm going to run my test. And it runs with no errors. Underneath, I made some annotations of a different approach that could have been used to do the test in a more simple way with some lambda expressions. This is a TestDemo Java with the instructions. And this is the POM file that was used to get the project. I hope you enjoy this time.